Welcome back to another interactive video on your BigVue panel. Today we're going to talk about the integrated apps that come with your panel. The apps to begin with are the Google Suite. You have everything in the Google Suite. You have the Play Store, the Maps, Calendar, Drive, everything at your fingertips. We also have a 48 megapixel camera which allows you to have a great quality presentations and meetings, and also if you want to click a quick photo of your classroom, this comes in handy. You have the file manager. Whenever you take any screenshots, screen recordings, all of them come saved here. Moving on to the next, you have the Google and the Chrome. If you want to pull up any articles, searches, researches, anything, all of this comes handy. Moving on, we have the media player. Whenever you want to view any videos, this is it. This is your tool. We have the Google Meet. So whenever you want to have presentations, you want to connect with your clients or with your students, Google Meet is there for your service. We have the system settings and the settings which allow you to customize your panel as per your needs and wants. We have a welcome page. You can choose all your welcome options here. Isn't that so fun? The next we have the VoteKit. This is my personal favorite. In the VoteKit, whenever you want to do any quizzes, any votings, you can simply choose your multiple options and enter a voting subject and allow your students to have a voting seamless. We of course have the Whiteboard, which we've already discussed in our previous videos. Another very fun and interactive tool on the panel is the WPS Lite. The WPS Lite has all your PDF tool and your image tool at your fingertips. If you want to edit your PDF, PDF to PPT, PDF to Word, this is it. You don't have to externally download anything. Isn't that so fun and easy?
Whenever you want to record any class, any presentation, or anything that's happening on the screen, this is where it goes. You can always play, you can pause, and you can stop. And it gets saved into the file manager. You can also rename it as per your needs.
You also have the Play Store, so if you want to download any application that help you make your life easy and interactive, Play Store is your go-to device. This is all for your BigVue panel applications. The next video we're going to talk about the Airgo Cast and the Airgo DMS. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.